right, Bob, tell me about this car.
A true 69 SS Chevelle. Metal work was immaculate on it when I bought it.
Oklahoma car, I hear.
Yep.
Okay.
And it was just all rustic because the guy never put primer on it after he had it down. So
Okay.
did all the body work and got that back up to snuff, and frame off restoration, sent the frame out to get powder coated, built a 427 Dart motor for it, 4L80E automatic trans, Moser rear, woodwork brakes, interior's all 100% original, tinted glass, and then made it a real nice street rider. It runs good, air conditioned, not much more you can do to it.
How many miles were on it when you got it?
I think it was only 23,000.
So it's the original interior, it just was he left it out.
He left it out.
And that's what happens in Oklahoma. They burn paint burns off.
Yeah.
Huh.
But other than that, I mean, the sheet metal on the car was just like factory almost.
Wow.
So I said, I had to restore it.
No replacement panels on it at all. Nice. Okay.
So
very cool.
that's it. Fun car to drive.
I can imagine. 750 horse.
Yep.
750 foot-pounds.
Yep. I think I was in a golf cart.
Did you ever dial it in on the track?
No. They throw me out with a roll bar in it after the first run.
Yeah.
Now, this is such a nice car. If you keep your foot out of it, you can drive it like a normal old lady's car, and nobody would ever know the difference.
Okay.
But it's just very hard to do.
It's crack cocaine.
Very hard to do.
Yeah.
And that's just touching the throttle.
Yeah.
You just can't help from fighting.
I know, you can't. Oh.
And that'll do the same thing at 80 mile an hour if you hit it.
I believe it.
It don't make a difference. It don't bother.
That's all you got? Oh, that's just hysterical.
But other than that, just driving it like a normal car, you could keep your foot over, rise, no problems, no nothing.
Remind me again, what are the gears in the back?
I forget what these are in here. I'll have to ask Larry. He knows off the top of his head.
I mean, it's moved because you got the overdrive fork, right?
Yep. You need the road clear down.
Oh, absolutely.
Down to the end. So what are we cruising now? About 2,000 RPM. We're doing about 35 mile an hour.
Okay. It's really docile.
Yeah.
It's a real Jekyll and Hyde motor, that's for sure.
Wasn't pulling in there. We can get away with it.
Nice build. total.
Yeah.
You did say that earlier.
When I built it at 26, we probably got 900 miles on it.
Okay. Oh, so the motor's only since.
Oh, the motor's only, that's fresh. That's just, you know,
Yeah.
900 miles on it.
900. Okay.